In my years as a marriage coach, I can't tell you how many times I've heard wives tell their husband, I just need some space. And he thinks, okay, I'll just give her what she wants. Weak. No, time will heal this. In a dream world, I forget her. This gives me more time for myself anyway. Selfish. I finally get to do stuff for myself for a change with all her pushback. Denial. Man, I don't care. If that's what she wants, don't let the door hit her in the rear end. Pride. She hasn't been attending to my needs in this marriage for a long time anyway. Ego. Fellas, please, wait. This type of I don't care attitude is why she left in the first place. Most men are distracted today, and so they have no idea how to read their wife or dissect anything she may be thinking. So please, hear me. Hear me now. When a wife asks for space, it's not about escape, it's about pain, and most men completely miss the meaning behind it. Think giving her space will solve it? Comment battle mode and I'll send you the training video that shows the hidden meaning behind her words, where this all is really leading, and how to fight for her heart before it's too late. So here's the real meaning of the phrase, I just need space. Number one, it's not that she doesn't love him. It's that she feels he doesn't love her enough. Just think about it, man. All the years of coldness, neglect, taking her for granted. To her, the I need space card is the only way left to say, I'm hurting, and I just don't feel chosen by you anymore. Look, man, any husband worth his weight has to understand this. As men, are we really willing to stand by and ignore our wife's pain, even if we ourselves don't actually see it? Number two, the emotional closeness is gone or hanging by a thread. So she pulls the one move that might shock him awake. Leaving, because from her side, it feels like she's losing the most important person in her life, her beloved husband. The pain runs so deep that she literally doesn't even know what to do to get his love back. Moreover, to feel the warm feeling of complete devotion she once experienced from him. Number three, it's a woman's cry of emptiness. With the closeness gone, she no longer feels complete as a woman, cherished as a wife, fulfilled in the marital embrace. So what happens? Her focus shifts. Kids, work, friends, someone else. And in her mind, she's thinking, if my husband doesn't even care, then why am I here? That's why I need space isn't a pause button. It's the warning shot before she runs. Look, gentlemen, these things I say might not be actually true to you, but they are very real for her. And as a man and a husband, that's really all that should matter. Our job as men is to protect, to defend, and to serve. And if we continue to allow the pain and emptiness to smother our wife, are we truly the men we think we are? Hey, space without leadership doesn't save a marriage. It destroys it. When she says, I need space, what she's really saying is, show me you love me. Show me you see me. Show me you still want me. Ignore that, fellas, and we lose them. Respond with strength, not weakness, pride, or ego, and we gain a great chance to win them back. Comment battle mode, and I'll send you the short training video that shows what's really happening in depth before a test run becomes the permanent exit. I'm your coach now. Let's go. Burn.